Hi, Ealdian Cearnan, the architect here. I'm one of the guild leaders for the Knights of the Round Table Guild here on Skyfire server, where we're always recruiting decorators. Today we're going to take a look at how to download and set up the layout editor designed by Jesdyr. Isn't he cute? I mean, who wouldn't want to look at this guy all day long? This is what I used to look like when I used to teach. This is more of what I look like now. Okay, Eli, settle down. I'll take it from here. Don't get yourself in a huff. First, we need to download the editor itself. Set your browser to EQ2designers.com and click on the Download Editor button. This takes you to another page where you can download the program. We want to make sure that you're getting version 1.7.2.17 and then go ahead and download the program. It takes just a second to download, so save the file, then install the program from the download files in your browser. Once you have the LE installed and a shiny new icon prominently displayed on your desktop, go ahead and open the LE. Then use the pull-down menu under the File button to go to Settings. Here you can leave most of it alone, but make sure the box for Auto Replace UIDs is checked. And let's use the little magnifying glass icon next to the EQ2 Layouts directory to have your computer scanned C drive. Just click Scan then. On my computer, it took a minute or two, so I've skipped ahead. When yours finds the directory, go ahead and hit Apply, and we're done here. The next thing to do is something you will never have to do again. In your chat window, type /save_layout working. Then hit Enter. Next, we'll create a macro called Width. Hit the O and click an Edit Macro spot and name your macro Width. Click the Add Step button, and in the command box that appears, type /save_layout width. Click OK, then drag that new icon to an empty hotbar. We're going to create another macro called Without. Click on an empty macro spot and name the macro Without. Click the Add Step button. In the command box that appears, type /save_layout without. Click OK. Then drag that new icon to your new hotbar, your decoing hotbar. And then we'll create our last macro called Working. Click on an empty macro spot. The macro window creation button appears, and name the macro Load Working. Click the Add Step button. In the command box that appears, type /load_layout working. Click OK, then drag the new icon to your new deco bar. When I deco, I have a separate hotbar for that, and I slide these macros to make it easier, and all of my combat hotbars are closed. We're almost ready to start decoing. But first, pause at this next screen and write it down. This is your mantra, which I hope you will use every time you use the LE. I still do. This is with, this is without, open with, find the diff, apply edits, save group, load working. No, I mean really write it down. If you use this process, you won't get lost. Now let's take this setting and change a few things about it. First, I'll hit the Width button, then pack that chair and hit the without button. Then I go and open the LE, click on the file button, open, and I'm going to open my with file. I have a bunch of other things here, but that's the with file. So open that. Click on the main tab and find the diff and run it. Now I can highlight this one line for the chair, and let's see. I packed it. I guess I want to move it north, so I'll use the multi-edit controls. I'll change it to Unit 2. I'll click the north button, apply edits, save group, save that little thing that I just made, and load working. And yeah, there's the chair. It actually moved 2 units north. Let's move it again. This time I want to move it east. Highlight that line. I'm going to move it 5 units east to move it closer to the table. Click the east button. Sometimes my game kind of lags. Apply edits, save group, load working, and now it's moved 5 units. It will move 5 units eventually, if there's no operator error involved. There, it moved over to the table. You'll notice I did not open a new with, but now I want to move this lamp. It's not really centered. So click with, pack it, click without, open the LE and open a new with. It's right there already loaded. Now I'm going to click on the main tab and find the diff and run it. There's my lamp, and I'm going to move it 2 units to the south. You'll see I'm facing south. That's the direction I want it to go. Just want to move it 2 units. Click it south. Now I'll apply edits, save the group, and load working. And there it is. It's over the table now. Now I think I want to move this whole setting, all of these pieces, to the corner. I will click with. I'll pack everything that I want to move into the packing crate. You'll always move things into the packing crate. There goes the chair. I'll even move the lamp into the packing crate, and then I click without. Open the LE. It's a whole new set of things, so I have to open a new with file. There it is. I'll open it up. I need to find the diff and run it. There's all my items. I'm going to select them all, and I want to move them into the corner, so I'll move them 2 units south. Apply edits, save group, then load working. Oh, that didn't quite get into the corner. I need to do that again. I'm going to move that same group of items into the corner. You can highlight the whole set by clicking that uppermost cell in the spreadsheet. And I'm going to move them again 2 units to the south. Apply edits, save group, load working. Still not close enough. This program is incredibly powerful, and I want to teach everyone how to use it because I've seen how creative everyone in this game is. I want to see people be able to do whatever it is their imaginations can come up with. Okay, well, so we're pretty much done here. It's Eli's turn. So I'll try and make some more videos right away, but you can usually find me in the home show. when, not if, you have questions. And yeah, Eli, go ahead and say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you can pause it anywhere.